3, 2, 1. This is Podcast Sisma. Hello guys, so in this video, we are going to talk with you with English. I am Arista. I am the host in this episode podcast. So, in this episode, we have a special guest star. Can you guess it, guys? I think no. So without any further ado, please welcome Kevin.
Hello everyone.
Hi Kevin.
Hi Arista.
How are you today?
Well, I'm feeling very good actually. How about you, Arista?
Oh, I'm good too. So, have you have a nice holiday or no, Kevin?
Well, if I may say, it was cannot be called a holiday because I was very busy and I have very many activities to do. I have a practice and for upcoming choir competition.
Oh my god, you're so busy, right?
Yes, because like that I have to practice every day.
Okay, could you explain more about yourself, Kevin?
Well, okay, so as you may have known, my name is Kevin. I'm a student of SMA Negeri 7 Denpasar and I'm from class C3.
Okay, Kevin. Talk about yourself. Can I ask you what is your favorite hobby?
Well, okay. If I may say, I have a hobby in music. So I like to play music. I like to sing and some kind of thing that have something to do with music. Because my family has a very big influence in it. My parents, like my mom, she likes classical music, while my dad, he plays in a band and he likes band music like that. So
That's cool.
If I may say, I like music because of my family.
Okay, what's the most genre that you like, Kevin?
So if I talk about music and genre, I actually like all genre. But if I have to say one, I think it's jazz.
Jazz. What kind of jazz song that you like?
Well, it's hard to choose actually, but there's jazz music and song. But if I may say one jazz song, it was a Christmas music. If you have heard, it was called "Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas." I like that because it was very inspirational for me, and it have a very warm feeling to it, like that.
Okay, I heard about that song too, Kevin. At the beginning, you say that you have a choir practice. Could you tell me more about choir?
Well, yeah. So in the beginning, I say that I have a choir practice for upcoming competition in Pekan Seni Remaja 2024. So if I may talk about choir, let me first explain about choir. So
Okay,
choir is
please.
an art in music where you form 4 types of human voice. The first one, it was sopranos. It was the high voice of woman. Then there was altos. It was the lower voice of woman. Then tenor, the higher voice of man. And bass, the lower voice of man. It was my voice. So with choir, you combine these 4 types of human voice. And then if you combine it, it can form a harmony. So it can be beautiful. And if I talk about choir, it was not only in Europe. There is also a choir in Indonesia. And they sing not just pop song. They also sing like folk song like Jangir, like that.
Okay, about choir, is there any choir extracurricular in Sisma or not, Kevin?
Oh yeah, actually there was. Sorry, I forgot to mention. My choir team is called Seven Voices Sisma. It was formed the extracurricular SVS, as you may have known, and the choir team is called Paduan Suara SMA Negeri 7 Denpasar.
Okay, about Seven Voices Sisma, it's so a nice extracurricular, right? I wanna ask you, can you explain to them what's the winning competitions that SVS have won in this year or last year maybe?
Okay, if I may have talk about the competition that we have won, but before, I think I wanna explain to you about Seven Voices Sisma a little bit more.
Oh yeah.
So Seven Voices Sisma is an extracurricular that work in the sector of music, but it was also have many division like as I have said, choir, band, and solos like that. So if you ask what competition that we have
the
won,
winning competition.
okay, so I will explain it in choir like that because there was very many competition that we have participated, and thanks God we won most of it. But if I have to choose one, the most prestigious one is the choir competition Pekan Seni Remaja, where we compete with other schools and then Denpasar like that. The competition is so hard.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, the last question is, could you tell them more about SVS?
So SVS, what you want to know, like the history or some kind other?
Maybe the history, okay. Or also about the experience that you have with SVS.
Oh, okay. If you want to know about the history of SVS, so SVS was formed by our founding father, if I may say. His name is Kak Agas. Hello, Kak Agas. So Kak Agas formed SVS first around 16 years ago.
Whoa.
And it was first formed by joining choir competition. At that time, we won first place in that competition. So SVS have the approval from school, and we can grow much larger like now. If I talk about experience, well, joining Seven Voices Sisma was the most happy time of my life because I have very many experience. Like I have many friends.
Yeah.
I can join many competition, and I can learn more things about music that I can learn in any other place like that.
Oh my god, that's a cool experience, yeah. Okay, that's all about the questions. And before we end this episode, we have a special performance from Kevin. Okay, Kevin, before you performance it, could you explain that what will you do in this performance to them?
Okay, so right now I will present you one song. It's called Berlayar. It was a song from Seven Voices Sisma, original song, and it was made by my senior, Kak Kiera, Cece. Hello, Cece. Shout out to Cece. Okay.
Oh my god, hi Cece.
So it's a song about friendship and high school life. So can I sing it now?
Okay, please performance it, Kevin. Are you ready, Kevin?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
1, 2. Kita kan selalu bersama, berlayar seperti kapal di tengah samudra, mengalir dengan alunan nada.
Wow, it's so nice. Okay, thank you, Kevin, for performance.
Thank you, Arista.
Okay, that's all about our episode today, and thank you for watching. See you in the next podcast. Bye.
Bye, guys.